Assalamu alaikum class. Today our topic of discussion is the osmoregulation in the desert living mammals or the animals who are living in the desert. Most common examples are the kangaroo rat and the camels. Kangaroo rat is included in rodents, and camel is a large desert mammal. Animals living in the desert, they face two types of problems. First one is the temperature is very high in that region, and no fresh water is available for drinking. These are the two major problems for these animals living in the desert. Water regulation and temperature regulation are closely associated. How these two processes are closely related or closely associated? Because when the temperature of environment is very high, it causes the evaporative loss of water from the body, and animal lose water from its body. However, when the temperature is low, or there is more humidity in the air, it eventually decreases the loss of water from the body surfaces, which are either skin or the respiratory surfaces. Nocturnal lifestyle of kangaroo is the behavioral adaptation. Kangaroo rat. Kangaroo rat lives in its burrow during daytime, and its burrow is cool or has a low temperature. This kangaroo rat only feed on dry seeds, and it do not drink any kind of the water, and it only come outside its burrow during night. It is a kind of the behavioral adaptation which reduces the water lost from the body, because various surfaces of body are exposed to the high temperature during day. These are either integument or the respiratory surfaces. This is the mammal, and it has wet respiratory surfaces for the exchange of gases. Cool burrow reduces the animal temperature load, but also the respiratory loss. Temperature loads are also reduced due to this cool burrow, and respiratory losses are also reduced. They have very efficient kidney, and their kidney produces highly concentrated urine. Its main water is conserved by the kidney, and no removal or no water is lost from the body, and water is also reabsorbed by rectal reabsorption. Small amount of water is although lost in spite all of these water conserving strategies. They eat dry seeds with a little amount of the water and obtain water by the oxidation of the foods. Their food is dry seeds. Camels, these animals are very large as compared to the kangaroo rat, which is a rodent, and it is very difficult for camels to hide themselves during high temperature. In cool night, camel body temperature drops and slowly rise in the next day due to large body mass. Although during daytime their body temperature is 41, and their body temperature never drops down to 35 degrees centigrade. This strategy is not possible in the small rodents. Why? Because small rodents have less body mass. They heat up early, and they lose heat early from their body as compared to the mammal with a large body mass. Camels also have other strategies for preserving water. They produces dry feces and concentrated urine, which is an adaptation to conserve the water in the body. As all of you know that camels are known as the ships of the desert. They conserve water in plenty in their body. They also store urea in their body. Approximately they drink 80 liters of water in 10 minutes when the water is available in the plenty or in the process of the rehydration. Camels also urinate on their back legs to prevent themselves from extra heating of the environment. That is the completion of the topic. Thank you.